Good morning, dear students of class 9A and 9B. Welcome to a new chapter of social science. This chapter is from economics. Now, economics, as you know, has been introduced for you in class 9. Economics is a subject which deals with productivity, finance, banking, market, demand, and supply. The name of the chapter is The Story of Village Palampur. Now, Palampur, we can imagine it as a village in any part of India. This village has good road connectivity. A all-weather road connects Palampur to the nearby village of Raiganj, and Raiganj is connected to a bigger town, the town of Shahpur. In Palampur, different means of transportation are used by the people. These include tonga, bullock cart, motorcycle, jeeps, tractors, trucks, etc. Here you can see some of the means of transportation: motorcycle, tonga, tractor. The people in Palampur belonging to different castes. Some are from the upper caste and some are from the lower caste. Palampur is a modern village which has good electricity connection. It has primary school, high school. In addition, it also has hospital, healthcare centers. Farming is the main productive activity in the village. In fact, India is a land of villagers, and 70% of the people are engaged in farming as a productive activity. Now the question comes up, what is production? Production is the method of turning raw materials or inputs into finished goods or products in a manufacturing process. In simple words, process of production or this process of production is one by which the input or the raw materials are transferred into output, that is the goods and services. Now let me explain this with the help of an example. Yarn is the input which is converted into the finished product shirt. Similarly, in this case, clay is the input or the raw material which is transferred into the finished product, that is the clay pot. Now, for this process of production, there are certain requirements which are needed in the process of production. These are land and natural resources, labor, physical capital, and human capital. These four are known as the factors of production. Which are the factors of production? Land, labor, physical capital or simply capital, and human capital. Let us look at different factors of production. The first factor of production is land and natural resources. These include water, forests, and minerals. The second factor of production is labor. Now, what do we understand by the term labor? People who do the work, they are understood as the laborers. Now, some activities require workers who are educated or skilled, and there are activities which do not require skilled workers, but they are simply manual workers. Educated workers we can find in factories, we can find in schools, we can find in offices. Manual workers are the laborer caste who can be found at construction sites, in the farming area, etc. The third factor of production is physical capital. This includes a variety of inputs which are required during the production process.